I'll prove to you that almost everyone is changing their engine oil way too late, double the mileage they're supposed to. Even a lot of the elderly people that you see that's retired that don't drive very much. And I finally found the best engine oil. I'm serious. Just ask Google. They'll tell you all about it. Seriously, they named some great options.
Mobil 1 Extended Performance, Best Advanced Synthetic Motor Oil. Amazon Basics Full Synthetic High Mileage Motor Oil, Best Budget Synthetic Motor Oil. Castrol GTX, Best Conventional Motor Oil. Shell Rotella T6 Diesel Engine Oil, Best Diesel Motor Oil.
But there's always things you must consider when finding out what oil's best for you. Let's go over it. Here we have two very important factors. Do you have a high mileage vehicle? Or what about the outside temperatures and the outside environment? Or does your vehicle even use oil? All these are great factors you need to consider. This is a great example. I live in an area with mountains everywhere. Or even a lot of gravel roads or dirt roads around. You're lucky if you even have gravel. Just check out the manual. It backs up everything I say. The normal maintenance schedule. And it says replace the engine oil and filter every 7,500 miles or 12 months. Schedule maintenance service. Follow normal maintenance schedule if the vehicle is usually operated where none of the following conditions apply. If any of the following conditions apply, follow maintenance under severe usage conditions. Repeated short distance driving. Driving in dusty conditions or sandy areas. Extensive use of brakes. Driving in areas where salt or other corrosive materials are being used. Driving on rough or muddy roads. Driving in mountainous areas. Extended periods of idling or low speed operation. Driving for a prolonged period of time in cold temperatures and or extremely humid climates. More than 50% of driving in heavy city traffic during hot weather above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. And just beside it, it says if your vehicle is operated under the above conditions, you should inspect, replace, or refill more frequently than the following normal maintenance schedule. After 120 months or 150,000 miles or 240,000 kilometers, continue to follow the prescribed maintenance intervals. Unbelievable! Now, as you can see, the following items must be serviced more frequently on cars normally used under severe driving conditions. Refer to the chart below for appropriate maintenance intervals. And you can see engine oil and filter was 7,500 miles, now 3,750 miles, which is half as much, or 6 months. Don't forget those free oil changes and maintenance they give when you purchase a vehicle that you actually pay for. Well, you might want to ask them about that in the 7,500 miles or 10,000, whichever it is. You may not want to wait that long, guys. I mean, after all, if they're going to pay for it, may as well have them do it twice as much. If you're burning oil, it may be wise to use SuperTech, a low-priced and decent quality oil. You may actually be able to help out with that high mileage oil, stopping the leaks on a crankshaft seal leak or possibly a valve stem seal leak. Because often over time, the seals, well, they start to harden. If you drive your vehicle every day less than 10 minutes one way and you stop and the vehicle still hasn't warmed up, guess what? That's extreme driving conditions, believe it or not. So it doesn't have time to warm the vehicle up. Or even if it's longer, but the temperature is much colder. Make sure to check your owner's manual, guys. As always, I want to thank you for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.